I am a medical anthropologist in nutrition and community health.
I'm a pharmacologist. Pharmacology is how drugs work, and we're responsible for training students on how to use drugs wisely. It started as a book, The People's Pharmacy, in 1976, and that led to a syndicated newspaper column and eventually a radio show and a website and a podcast.
As we were doing the radio show in the middle of the 1990s, we started getting a lot of questions about herbs.
And so since then we have expanded, not just issues around pharmaceuticals, but also home remedies, herbs, and
natural products.
But we always look for the science, because that was sort of how we got started. And surprisingly, there's a lot of science supporting a number of herbs and home remedies. We have a motto: might help, won't hurt, and doesn't cost very much. And so if it fits those three categories, that's going to be worth considering. If you're going to use sugar for hiccups, nobody's making money on that one. But if you're going to advertise on television, you have a surefire cure for fill in the blank, you darn well better have evidence to prove that it works.